Willie Doo's going to lighten the mood, and today we're going to talk about the Galapagos sea iguana, the only marine lizard species in the world. Galapagos.
I think I've seen it.
Galapagos is a funny place. A lot of
islands,
exclusive creatures.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Darwin used to love going there.
Mm-hmm. I heard you're like not allowed to bring a lot of things if you go to
contamination.
Yeah, like it's very bare bones.
Check your bag, pluck the little microbes, bugs, contaminants.
It would be really cool to go though.
You're right about that.
Mm-hmm.
Couple of different transportations you're gonna have to do. You're gonna fly over there.
Yeah.
You're gonna get on one of those little hopper planes. You're gonna fly again.
Mm-hmm. Maybe a bus.
Get in a boat.
Was it the Cessnas?
Are you a drug trafficker?
I knew you were gonna catch that.
See, you just know what Will's doing. You can just tell what he's trying to do over there every time.
Well, it's a beautiful place.
Galapagos?
Mm-hmm.
Damn, I mean, that's an understatement. Look at that. Look at that thing. It's unreal.
Have you seen the documentary on these lizards?
You watched an entire documentary on this?
Yeah. It's really cool.
Oh, you submitted the story.
No, I didn't.
Oh.
I just, these lizards are like really cool. And they just sit in the sun for all day.
Well, they're huge.
Yeah, and they have to run away from snakes. It's really cool.
Yeah.
I recommend it.
All right, hit us with the clip then. Ooh.
Oh, yeah. There's no audio, but essentially this lizard is underwater. I'm guessing hunting for food.
Sick res.
Why does that happen? It's at the same...
Good. I was going to show you something cool.
No, it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Don't give up yet.
And
It's at the same point.
It's all right. We get the idea.
Unfortunately,
We get the idea. What's he chewing on some algae or something? Or did he catch an animal? Or is he eating a small fish? Or I don't know what he's doing, but he seems very casual underwater. How long can he be down there for?
I think a while.
Is this what Godzilla's based on?
That's what I was thinking. Just
Ooh.
very Godzilla-like. Just like the color, the shape. Is this Godzilla?
I mean, if we just adjust for scale, I think we got Godzilla right here.
Yeah. Very cool. Just like that's a dinosaur, essentially.
Go ahead, Will.
Like it's very prehistoric in terms of its look and its behavior.
The spikes running along its spine, very dinosaur-like.
You don't see this a lot. You know, it's like this is very similar to like an alligator.
Shout out Charlie. Lou stole my comment. What do you guys like, Kong or Godzilla?
Just this is just an open question.
Yeah.
Kong.
Well,
I like Godzilla.
okay.
Big fan.
That's good stuff. Way to go, Will. I like this.
What about you?
No chance.
No chance for...
I don't make picks.
Oh, right.
I'm not a financial advisor. There's rules around this.
Yeah.
Godzilla stock.
That's right. Yeah. What would that be on the ticker?
GOZ.
GDZ?
No, that's a rapper.
Is it? He's on the stock market?
I just made that up, by the way.
Okay.
That's G-Eazy.
G-Eazy.